Hey everybody, this is Ejijo and welcome to the fifth video in my series on for loops. In this example, we will be solving the following problem. We want to write a Python program to find the sum of all the even numbers from 0 to 10. So the sum of all the all the even numbers, some evil, even numbers total. And so we'll start with our for loop for I in range 10, and we want to do all the it's all the even numbers from 0 to 10. So it defaults at 0, but if we want to count all the way to 10, it's going to be one less than that, so we need to make that one 11. And I'm just going to print I so we can see what it does. F5 enter, so that is 0 to 10. Right, there we go. So we've got all the way from 0 to 10, but now we only want to add 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on. So we need to determine whether or not, okay, I don't need this print anymore. We need to determine whether or not a number is even. So we do it as follows. Even numbers are sort of 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and so on. So what we can do, we can use the modulus method. So we can start with an if statement. If I percentage, you will see that in I think previous videos in terms of that. So if I percentage, that is I mod, this is what you use if you only want to find. So instead of using the normal divide, use a percentage, but it'll only show the remainder. So if you divide it by 2, because if you divide by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, no remainder. 10 divided by 2 is 5, no remainder. And if it was a 3 or a 5 or something like that, so 3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. So what we're saying is if whatever your number is, modulus 2 divided by 2, if that is exactly equal to 0, then we know that is an even number. Okay, we know that. So I'm just going to print, what shall I use? I'll use the format string actually for this one. Oh, I forgot that one there. So what we want to say here is that I is an even number. Okay, so that theoretically should give us the numbers that we need for in range, blah 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 blah. I think that looks fine. So if I've entered, let's have a look. So 0, 2, 4, 6, so these are even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, all of them are even numbers. Okay, we don't, I mean I keep this here, we know it's working, I'll keep that there. But what we want to do, if it is an even number, then we want to add it up. So in terms of completeness, I will just say else, and then I'll copy that actually, copy, paste, and then we'll say is an odd number. Right, F5 enter, and then you can see 0 is even, 1 is odd, 3 is odd, and so on. So you can see that is working absolutely fine. So this is a neat little tool you can use to determine whether or not it is an odd or an even number, or if you do a game like heads or tails or something like that, this is a nice way as well that you can use that, I guess. So cool. So I'll keep that there for now. We know it's working. It might clog up everything, but if it is an even number, we want to add it up. Because we're going to have a total, again, we put a total variable at the top. Total equals 0, and we're going to add to that. And then I want to say total plus equals I. Again, you can remember that from before. Total plus equals I. Total plus equals I means total equals total plus I. So, and then we want to just print it for now here. We want to print the total there for now, just to see what it does. F5 enter, and let's see what it does. So our total is 30. So right, so this is now getting lost in all the traffic. So now I'm going to get rid of this part because we know that works, and I want to get rid of that part because we know it works. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, running total. Actually, shall I print I? Shall I print I as well? No, I'll just keep it like that for now. F5 enter. So we've got 0 plus to the total of 0. Let me just move this across here so you can see. So 0 plus the total makes it 0. Then it goes around 2. 2 plus 0 is 2, so there it is. Then it goes around 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. There we go. It goes around again. Then it's 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. And goes around again. And 20 plus 10 is 30. So we know that works perfectly fine. So I just want to make this nice and complete. And I just want to say the total is F5 enter. Oh no, it's fine. I just need to move this now out of the if statement, so just in the for loop. Apparently not. Let's try that again. Out of the for loop, sorry, and then we run it again, and the total is 30. The total is 30, and it says there, write a Python program to find the sum of all the even numbers from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10. So we could have that over there, and you could, if you really want to show what the even numbers are, let me just put that back and do the f string again over there, and I will just say even, I'll just do it slightly different this time, even number I think that is fine. F5 enter. Right, even number 0 to, and then you can sort of count it up. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus 10 is 30. So that's a nice way of you to see what it actually is. Perfect. So that is solving that problem. So I think I will do one more video. Let me just see what is a nice little problem I can solve. Maybe I can do a bit of string multiplying with string. A nice little simple problem. A nice simple problem that we can do using a for loop. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.